This is PaPa's page. Today we're going to start the Cast Iron Wednesday monthly challenge. And this month's challenge, I have rumor, is to cook a sandwich. So the sandwich I've chosen to cook today is tuna melt. So we've got everything I'm going to put in the tuna, and we've got cheese and bread, and I'm going to chop everything up and we'll get started. Okay, we chopped up about a quarter of the onion, and we're probably going to put about a third of that quarter in, I guess. And I like a lot of pickles in my tuna, so I'm going to chop up like 3 of the dill pickles, the snack size ones. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of pepperoncinis in it. Okay, we're using chunky chicken today, packed in water. And the mix it goes. That tuna has Zeus's approval. We'll put some mayonnaise in it. And mix it up. Okay, we put 3 of the little small pickles in. A few little pepperoncini pieces, and probably a good heaping teaspoon of onions with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now we're gonna toast the bread and start heating the griddle up. Okay, we're going to use real butter. Okay, we used real butter on both the griddle, and we're going to use it on the toast. We're using pepper jack cheese. And tuna. And there we go. Okay, I have someone here to sample it for me. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.